it's Heidi Brown here with your Hamilton and Burlington real estate market update for September. Now, the real estate market is shifting everywhere in our local trading area for Hamilton and Burlington. There's been some ups and downs in areas as things start to, I hesitate to use the word, but normalize. We're away from the flurry of activity from earlier on. There has been some softening of activity throughout the month, but we're really seeing things being less, more chaotic and in a more stabilized sort of environment. There's less swings in the terms of pricing and inventory levels as there had been for the last few months. But we are seeing a little bit of a dip in the number of listings, down by about 8% in our trading area, but sales were up about 11%. Maybe that's in part the fact that there was about a 2% savings on the price of homes. When we look at a sort of the overall average price of homes, we're at $858 right about now in the Hamilton Burlington area. And that's sort of a large number aggregated together for a number of different factors. And really the point of that is where do we compare month over month? And that is down just slightly. So when it comes to types of homes or specific areas, that can be very much different. But this at least is a comparison to let us know overall how's the climate doing, and prices have stabilized. We're seeing less of those dramatic drops, but we're down about 2%. Of course, always know to reach out to me if you're wanting some specific information on your particular region. So what's going on with the market right now? Inventory, we're still in what we call the seller's territory at 2.6 months of inventory. Remember, that's how long would it take to sell all of the inventory if we didn't get anything more on the market. And it's a way that we can measure, are we in buyer or seller territory? There is still a shortage of inventory, although buyers are at a little bit of an advantage because they are shopping around. With the interest rates going up, it has definitely changed the activity levels in our market. Those rates, we just had an increase. We've got a couple more announcements coming this year, Bank of Canada, and I don't believe that they've stopped yet as far as going on the interest increases. Interest still is at pretty good rates. We were just spoiled for very, very low rates for a longer period of time. And prices, because of the increase from interest rates and inflation and all that, have continued to level off. So moving ahead, we know that there are 2 more increases, as I alluded to. There is more of a normalization, if I use that term loosely, in the market, feeling more like a fall market. And as we were at the beginning of September, definitely starting to feel like more of a fall market, which is typically the second busiest trading time of the year. So there is definitely some activity happening. So if you're looking at buying or selling and you need some information, please don't hesitate to reach out to me here at Heidi Brown at Remax Escarpment. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next month.